there's clear signs this is your last chance to make big money in Bitcoin as it runs in this bull market. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Mr. Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Staying alive here in Dubai. Man, you know what? Bitcoin, it's got the rocket boosters on. We're going to be talking about that in today's news articles and so forth. And we're going to be also doing some TA, see what is going on in the market. And then we're going to be talking about some cool things going on with my channel as well. All right, with that said, let's get on with the first topic of today, which is, well, if you want to join my channel, right, it's free to join my private group. It's just sign up to TOOBIT, deposit a little bit of money, and you gain access, right? Also, you could trade waffles here and gain some free waffles when you do, right? Well, I know waffles took a little bit of a bath, but that's okay. It'll be back. Don't worry. Okay, Russia hit by a new U.S. sanction halt dollar and euro trade on main bourse. Okay, well, this it's not Russia that's being, you're confusing Russia with the Russian people, right? Right? And there's two separate people here. There's people like in the government, right? And the people who just want to live their lives. And those people who just want to live their lives all of a sudden can't gain any US dollars, right? This is weaponizing the dollar, right? And that's not a good thing, right? Money is a means of exchange and to trade things, to trade your goods. And, most of these people in Russia don't have any kind of political affiliation. So this is where Bitcoin comes in, right? Bitcoin allows people to transact, right, without the government telling them what to do or some other government forcing them down their throats that, hey, you know what, you can't use dollars, you can't use this gold, you can't do this, you can't do that. It's beautiful, right? Because now, with Bitcoin, you can walk through the airport with lots and lots of Bitcoin because you know what? All that security that you see at the airport is not for terrorists. No. It's so to make sure that you don't leave your country with gold. Well, the rate decision is clear. Nothing happened really. They didn't do anything, and they're planning, for next year, 100 basis points, meaning 1% down. I don't know if they're going to be able to do that with the CPI running high and so forth, but we'll see. We'll see. $1 billion in Bitcoin has disappeared. Bitcoin saw enormous outflows from exchanges. Yes. Enormous volumes of BTC are being withdrawn from exchanges as the first cryptocurrency is being slowly moved to self-custody. I love smart people. If you're smart, you own your own crypto, you don't allow anybody else to own it. The tendency raises questions, and usually the growth of scarcity on exchanges leads to price growth, but that is not the case now. Yeah, but that's just the fuel for the rocket boosters. Traditionally, significant withdrawals have been seen as a bullish sign, suggesting that investors are choosing to hold their money in personal wallets as opposed to storing it on exchanges for quick trading. Hope you got your Bitcoin, right? Make sure you take custody of it, because if you hold an ETF or anything else, you don't got any Bitcoin. And a lot of people learn, not your keys, not your cheese. They learn that the hard way. They always do. They always do. I mean, I had several meetings with people that lost all their Bitcoin, lost millions of dollars in Bitcoin because they did not self-custody them. Please do not make that mistake. Get greedy. Oh, this place is going to give me interest on my Bitcoin. If you're in that position, take it out right now and thank me later. All right. If you are interested in, my other channels, if you speak German, Spanish, or Russian, and I have German, Spanish, Russian channels, right? You just head over to the description below and you could win some prizes, some money, right? Some Waffles tokens if you do. The link to this video is in the description and the details of the prizes as well. So go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go over to our charts for today. and see what's going on. Bitcoin, bath time, another bath time. Jesus, we pump and then we dump. And it looks like, yeah, I mean, I was thinking this was a dead cat bounce from just the other day, and then it got a little higher than I expected this dead cat bounce to be. And now it looks like we're going through fruition here. We want to dump down. We can go all the way to the 60K level, which is right down here. So this is it, but we have to break this 65.9 level. Let's see what happens. I really think that we should turn around and rocket back up, especially around here, this area here, but let's see what happens. Let's close it off with Ethereum. Oof, Ethereum, come on, man. Turn around. Because if it doesn't, we're coming all the way down to $3,200 mark. Yeah, it's a little late for a short here. We could have shorted up here and took the risk. And yeah, if you did, you should hold it all the way down to 3,200 and, move your stops to break even and so forth. So if it does turn around here, which would be an absolute miracle, because if you look left, we are not in a good position here at all. Usually markets like to backfill large movements here. That's just the way the market works. So odds are we're going to backfill all this area. That's it. Take it with a grain of salt. That's how it's going to work out. Most likely is the most likely scenario. And that's it. Don't fight against it. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I enjoyed doing this show for you, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.